Hey guys, so I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna show you how I straighten it and curl it. So basically I'm just gonna brush it out first. And then I use this Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Hot Off the Press heat protectant. I'm running out though. I feel like I always look mad when I'm doing my hair and makeup. Like, people tell me I always look mad or sad, but it's just my face. Okay, so after I put on heat protectant, I'll just separate my hair. I'll part it down the middle. Okay, so that's like in the middle, I would say. So now I'm gonna put both sides up. Tie this one in a bun, and then I'll separate this part one section at a time. And then I usually put my straightener at 390 because it straightens it faster. And then I'll just keep going section by section, because if not, then it comes out like wavy in some parts. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side now. Okay, now I'm just gonna comb it out really quick. And by the way, I don't use a brush. I don't brush my hair. I use a comb. I don't know why. That's just always how I've done it. And like, you know, growing up, I just always use a comb. So yeah, I'm gonna comb my hair. This is the hair oil I use. It's called Salt Air Santal Bloom. Yeah, I got this at Target, but I usually just do like one pump. Oops, 2 pumps. I try to get most of it at the ends of my hair because I don't want my scalp to be oily or anything. I'm also gonna part my hair again. I feel like parting it after you style it just like makes it less frizzy, because then it's like a new like hair on top. So basically what I'm gonna do is just curl the ends of my hair with the curling iron, and I use this Paul Mitchell curling iron. It's like a curling wand, but I've had it forever, since like middle school, I think. But it's funny because I had barely started using it like as I became an adult. Like I never used it in middle school or high school. So I'm just gonna start with one piece first, like this section, and I'm just gonna like this. So then it looks like that. I also like to take the curling wand, and because I'm lazy, I just like smooth down the flyaways. Yeah, and I told one of my coworkers that like I do that. I just use the curling wand to like smooth the flyaways, and she looked at me like I was crazy. Like I'm lazy. Like what do you want me to do? Now I'm gonna go in with this Paul Mitchell the extra body finishing spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look.